Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Okay, so I go by the name Prince Famina, and today we have a very simple task to resolve. Okay, so the task on board is how to do a 2 to 4 decoder. So basically this is how a 2 to 4 decoder looks like. Okay, so let's start from scratch. Let's pick a new file. Okay, let's start from scratch. Let me maximize it a bit so we can see. Okay, so with a 2 to 4 decoder, we will need a decoder. Okay, so to get your decoder, you move to plexus. Okay, so here we have a multiplexer, you have demultiplexer, decoder, priority encoder, bit selector. For the sake of our task, we are going to use decoder. Okay, so this is our decoder. Okay, so we all could notice that it has two inputs, one here and the second one here, and also a two outputs, also one here, and this is the second one. Okay, for the case of our task or study, we are going to need only one input. So to get only one input, we are going to enable the one. Okay, so we will consider it now one. Yeah, and also we will need four outputs. Initially it's two, but we will need to get four, and to do that you have to change data bits. So you move to select bits, then you come here, it's one, but to get our four you need to go to two to get the four. So we will consider this is 1 2 3 and then a 4. Okay, let me position the decoder very well also. Okay, so next on the list is to get our pins. Okay, it's a 2 to 4 decoder, so we will require 4 pins. Okay, to get it, control V. Okay, so let me undo it. Sorry. Okay, our third one, and then get our last pin, which is the fourth pin. Okay, so at this juncture we will need to connect our pins to the decoder. Okay, so connecting our first pin. Okay. Oh, okay, and then connect our second pin also. Okay, we have to connect our third pin. Okay, great, and then our fourth pin to the decoder. Awesome. Okay, so remaining our last input line here. So to do that, you also get a different pin, this pin. Okay, then we connect this pin, this input, to this pin. Okay, so next on the list is also to get our pin and move the data bit to 2 instead of 1. It's supposed to be 2. Okay, so you could see when I changed the data bit to 2, you could see that when it's 0 0, it displays 1, which means the first one is 1. Okay, and when it's 1 0, you could see that the third pin comes 1. When it's 1 1, the last pin is 1. When our input is 1 0, the third is 1. When our input is 0 1, you can see that our third output becomes 1. So basically this is all what a 2 to 4 decoder looks like and how it works. Thank you for your time and for your attention also. We'll catch up later. Thank you.